Hola, buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Darbolea Gómez. Para el curso de inglés 1, pertenece al programa de Ingeniería Electrónica, ¿no? De acuerdo a la guía, actividad 4, pues hacer una presentación personal de dónde vivo, nacionalidad, ciudad, mi familia, qué estudio, qué me gusta y qué no me gusta. Entonces, en ese caso, my name is Luis Darbolea Gómez. I am 23-year old. My nationality is Colombia. I am from the capital of Salsa, Cali. Uh, I am living I am living with my family. My family is four people. I live with my sister. My sister's name is Karen. Karen. She is Nurt. She is 24, 20, 26 year old. My brother. My brother's name is Miguel. He is a student. He is 20 year old. My mother. My mother's name is Maria. She is a housewife. She is 45-year-old. And my nephew. Uh, I am a student, electronic engineer. I am in the third semester. Uh, I I like to swim. I like to exercise, listen to music, and play soccer. I don't like to swim. I don't like to cook, and I don't like drink. I don't like to think liquor. Último viaje. My last, um, my, ¿qué? A ver, del viaje, ok, del viaje. My last trip was to my town. It's a nice place. It's a place with a tropical climate. However, that day was sunny. Yes, it was hot. I am visiting my family and distracted me. Don't I distracted me from the city. My future, okay. In my future plans is to return in a month to my town. I like I really like I really like being in the place. It's beautiful, it's nice, it's cozy. My town is Care Cisneros. My town is Lockery. My town is Lockery near Buenaventura. ¿Qué más preguntan aquí? ¿Qué hice allá? Bueno, normally I was swimming and eating fruit. There are many fruit there. Okay, thank you. Ujú. ¿Qué más preguntan? Nombre del lugar, dónde está ubicado, al menos. ¿Qué tanto hice? Ajá. Eso.